Welcome back to another episode of Cleaning with Mr. OCD. I thought I'd share with you exactly what is it I do when it comes to cleaning the sink as well as the mirror. And yes, both of those items do go together. I hate when people clean the sink and the dirty mirror is left alone. So, I normally uses Windex, or I grab some ammonia and I spray it all over the sink, everywhere. The back part, the faucet, on the inside, everywhere. And I drench it, as well as the mirror. I get a couple of handfuls of napkins. And I wipe it down. Now, some people may not drench it like I do, but I find it a little easier, especially when you have hair on the sink, or Windex is good for helping bring that shine. So tell me, when you are cleaning the bathroom sink, what is it that you clean it with? Do you normally clean the sink by itself? Do you not consider the sink and the mirror all one entity? Or are you just like me and you consider them to be a couple? Who is the person in your household that does the cleaning? Do you split the chores up amongst the two of you, or amongst you and your kids? Or is this just a punishment thing? You know, the kids do something wrong, or your husband do something wrong, instead of making him sleep on the couch, he has to clean. Cleaning is something I always enjoyed. I look at cleaning as something that I can take a step back from and look at it as I not only did this for myself, but I did this for my loved one as well. Do you clean for yourself, or do you have a loved one that you do this for? Tell me, what do you think? To me, it looks 1,000 times better. Please share your secrets with me, because I like to know what is it that you do differently. As always, like, share, subscribe, Put in the comments below who does the cleaning in your household. What is it that you do differently from me? Bye.